Yeah, see, people still look normal. I mean, it's so many years before.
Isn't that crazy?
There you go.
I am honored to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves, Dean Castor.
Oh, Peter Dinklage. Yes. We love him.
Can't take my charm. Can't take my humor.
Yeah, they're letting her sing.
You can kiss my
He's like, all right, I like her.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get in.
Oh, he's just gonna run in. Okay. I don't know if that's the same spot for you.
I say we all kill her.
I'm in.
Nothing left to lose now.
She's true now.
You kill them if you hurt him. Then you. Besides, he's my mentor.